Okay, found this little piece after we found something else. First of all, if you have a look in there, Chris has got the light in there. Okay, let's look at this cylinder that was firing good. That cylinder was number 1. You can see the exhaust valve, the small valve there, looks good. And then you jump up to the next cylinder that was cold. See how sunk that is in there? So these wouldn't have had hardened seats in them, and they took the lead out of the gas, and so it pounded the seat in. And then the next cylinder, the same thing, and he was a cold cylinder too. So this was cylinder 3, and this was cylinder 5, and they were both not producing a bunch of heat. This guy's compression was good, but yeah. So that was part of the problem there. This guy's starting to sink. And if we go around to the other side, the top of that valve, with that sinking exhaust, that was getting beat right up because there was probably no clearance there because the valve had sunk so bad. So when we were moving things around, we found that guy must have been laying in the bottom of the head. So there's the little tip off the valve. So we are finding stuff. We found our shake. We found a couple lifters worn with a little bathtub shape to them. Nothing ate itself yet, but worn for sure. But yeah, so there's some of our damage right there. And that's why we weren't having any loose rockers when we would feel them, because the valve was sinking and keeping the rocker seemingly tight up top. So we weren't getting any clatter that way. But yeah, them valves, exhaust valves would have hardly been opening, so wasn't much exhaust going out them 2 pipes, so that's why it was cold. Okay, we'll be back.